Hi guys, today we're gonna play Hangang Park, and I'm so sorry if I was not doing videos for a long time. Okay, so this is a very popular game in Zepeto. Oh, there we go. Okay, I will say hi. Okay, but I'm gonna go upstairs because there's oh, but it's blocked. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys if you're playing this, then you need to go into the store, get some. Here, my favorite Korean noodles. There, now it's free. You can enjoy. Oh, there's a coffee machine over here. I'm waiting. Good. There we go. But if you take the noodles away, you can't go up. You can just only jump like this. Jump like this, and then you will be good. Okay, guys. And I'm gonna wait for the ship or the water taxi to come. Yeah, but warning, do not fall into the water. Don't do this. If you accidentally fell into the water, you know what it means. You can't jump or anything, but you need to be quick before the ship comes. I'm not gonna miss it again. No. I don't want to miss it. Ah! Finally. Okay, good. There, I'm on the ship already. And the next station we will go to the rocket. Yeah, the Hero rocket. I'm gonna watch it where it goes. There we go. The Hero rocket is over there. Okay, I'm ready to go out. Oh no. Okay, waiting. Where's the water taxi gonna bring us? Gonna jump. Oh my god. Such a bad luck. Okay, if my internet connection is not really good, it's because of the people. People keep joining, the internet gets worse. And as I promised you, I'm gonna bring... Oh, there's a... Let me try it. Oh my god, look at me. Look at myself. Don't look at my eyes because I forgot to put in the contact lens. Yeah, the contact lens that I bought. And I'm gonna ride a bike. Oh, not riding a bike. This we can pass and stay over here. You can pass through it. Yep. There you go. Look. There's a secret gateway also over here. Hey, but we need to try so hard to open it. No. Gosh. Hey, I'm gonna get in. Okay, look. Now you can jump so high that you will reach the whole galaxy. Okay, like that. Everything is falling. No, I'm not gonna miss again. I don't want to be stuck in here. Good, okay. Now let me sit down. Okay. That is pretty fun, but if you want to get out, you can just go to this portal. Oh. Hey, there's the subway. Let me go. Visit Korea? Wait, where it's taking me? Oh no! I wonder where it takes me. Okay, now let's see. What is the name? Oh, it's the subway. Yeah. I'm right here at the subway. Let me sit with these. Oh, I'm just sleeping. Or whatever. Let me check. Oh, there is a K-pop idol, Lisa. Okay, what am I doing here? There, this is my favorite convenience store. I love these gummies. I'm gonna take a drink instead. Okay, this is my favorite convenience store. Hey, why it won't open? Does that mean I'm stuck over here? No. We need to wait. Hey, what's this? Oh, it's a flute. I can't go up. Oh, gosh. Now should we go back here? Maybe we will go back to the Hangang Park. Yeah, definitely. We will go back to the Hangang Park. So guys, if you want to go to the subway, from the Hangang Park to the subway, you can find this near the bike. Near a lot of bike, there will be a portal or a black hole. Go in there and there, I think. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.